Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer questions and answers. Fill in the blank for children. Part 6. Question number 1. Who was the inventor of typewriter? Christopher Latham Scholes was the inventor of typewriter. Question number 2. Modern keyboards contains dash for better processing. Modern keyboards contains hotkeys for better processing. Nowadays, modern mouse and keyboard are available which do not have wires attached to them. Are called Nowadays, modern mouse and keyboards are available which do not have wires attached to them are called wireless mouse and wireless keyboard. Question number 4. Alphabet keys have English letters dash printed on keyboard. Alphabet keys have English letters A to Z printed on keyboard. Question number 5. Keyboard has a special order that is called Keyboard has a special order that is called QWERTY. QWERTY. Question number 6. The alphabet keys are used to type. The alphabet keys are used to type letters, words, and sentences. Question number 7. The number keys are used to type dash. The number keys are used to type numbers. On the right hand side of the keyboard is called numeric keypad. Question number 9. Numeric keypad works only when numlock is dash. Numeric keypad works only when numlock is on. Dash is used to give space between two letters or words. Space bar is used to give space between two letters or words. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching.